The purpose of photosynthesis is to convert energy from the sunlight into glucose, and the reactants for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight, while the products are glucose and oxygen. Water gets into the chloroplast by the roots, acts as transport of minerals, which is followed by osmosis before it travels up the xylem. The CO2 enters the chloroplast by entering from the stomata, which is then followed by the light-dependent reactions, where sunlight excites the electrons in the chlorophyll in the thylakoid disc in the chloroplast. Water is broken up by the enzymes, and then the oxygen leaves the plant and goes into the atmosphere. The excited electrons, after being hit by light, travels down to the electron transport chain, where the proton pumps in more protons into the thylakoid space. The protons flow out through the ATP synthase enzyme, which then binds ADP with the phosphate, which becomes ATP. The electrons are excited by PS1, and then they are picked up by the electron carrier NADP+, which then is converted into NADPH, while one electron goes back to repeat the process again. The second process is the Calvin cycle, which occurs in the stroma, where CO2 joins with C5 to C6 to form a 6-carbon molecule, and it splits to form two 3-carbon molecules. The electrons are released by NADPH, and then it converts back into NADP+. The ATP releases energy by breaking the bond between the second and the third phosphate to become ADP once again. One excited 3-carbon leaves the chloroplast in the cytoplasm, and then the cycle repeats twice to form 2 3-carbons, where other carbons are used to form sugars and other compounds.